Alright, y'all, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can spy on winning Clickbank campaigns for free on Bing ads. So if you've been following along in the Clickbank series, y'all knew this is part 3 to the 5-part series where I basically pick an offer from Clickbank, set up a direct link campaign over on Bing ads, and run it for about 4 days to see if we can make some sales with it. So if you've been following along, you know this part 3. And part 3 is all about ad spying. Basically, I only use two, what I'm gonna cover in this ClickBank series. I only use two free methods to come up with ads, ad copy, and stuff like that because there's not really no need for spy tools and stuff like that when ad copy is literally just seeing what's already working and just going from there and using that. That's pretty much what I do on a day-to-day basis, whether I'm doing Bing ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, wherever I'm doing. I kind of just model or just take what's already working. So if you've been following along, like I said, you already know the offer that we're using, which is the custom keto diet from Clickbank. It pays out $28, gravity at 224. It has a rebuild and all that good stuff. This is the sales page of the offer. Very, very clean. It's all about the keto diet stuff. Now, I'm not even familiar with keto diet and stuff like that, so I'm kind of just going off of what I've been using. So what I like to do is a thing called reverse marketing. I like to go on Bing and Google and basically search up people that's already promoting this offer using related keywords, the product name keywords, just to find people that's already promoting. So, for example, this offer is called Custom Keto Diet. So I'm going to just type it in. Also, I want to copy that and paste it over on Google so I can find some ads. Hit search. I think I already did. All right, so what I like to do is build up a keyword list. Well, not a keyword list, but what you want to call this, like a swipe file where I basically just take ad headlines and add text and just make my own from there. So that way I can import it over on Bing ads when I'm setting it all up. So going back over to Bing, you can see right here, for example, let's say I want to take this ad text right here. So what I do is with Bing, you got to break it up into two different ad text because like this, one sentence going to ad text 1, then the other sentence going to ad text 2. It's kind of how you want to do it. 8-week fully customized keto meal plan for your weight loss goals and food preferences. Milk, fat, fast with the keto diet. Get your 8-week custom keto diet meal plan today. So I like that text. Let's see. Add headline 1. We can do custom keto diet. Custom keto diet. Add headline 2. I don't know why I keep going over to Google, but let's see. 8-week custom keto diet plan. Custom keto diet plan. Kind of like just fill this out. Add headline 3. You know it's an ad when you see like the ad right here next to the text right here. It's normally like the first 3 to 5 results. You can normally find ads. You can go to the bottom of the page and find ads too. Let's see. Done for you meal plan. That could be at headline 2 as you can rotate. Done for you meal plan. Now, mind you, I only spend probably 10-20 minutes a day coming up with the spying and the ad copy because it really just don't take this long. Most of the time, people just spend so much time, coming up with stuff that they never even tested. So I like to just jot down a few different ad copies and set it up over in Bing and just get to running it, man, and learning it as I go. Another thing you could do too, go down to the related searches, click on it, and find different ad copies that way. So there's no ads for this keyword. Oh wait, it is at the bottom of the page. You can see 8-week custom keto diet plan, meal plan based on your choices, or meals based on your choices. See if I can copy that, paste, and take this, delete, put it for the second part. You know what? I could probably put that right there too. So very, very easy way to find different ad copies. Let's see. Another thing, easy keto meal plan. Just going through the related searches. Let's see, let's go to the bottom of the page, see if we can find something else that we like. Easy to follow. Maybe we can put that inside of ad text. Ad headline 3. Easy to follow. All these different variations is going to be split tests inside of Bing ads. So when you're setting it up, I like to come up with about 3 to 5 different ad copies to test out. So right now we already got we already really got like 2 or 3 ads that we can test out. And we can honestly be okay with that. But what I want to do is just show y'all another example. So if you go over to Google, paste in that same result, you would normally see different ads and stuff. So a personalized keto plan that works. You can copy that if you wanted to. Let's see, get your custom keto diet. Do I got that already? Nope, I don't. So I could probably use that for ad headline too. Get your custom, what did it say? Custom keto diet. I thought it was something else. Get your custom keto diet. I guess that's what it is. Or I could even probably put that in either 3 or the first one. Put that in 3. Get your custom keto diet. So yeah, just with this right here, I could literally just set this up over on Bing, all in what, 5 minutes of doing this, doing a little bit of ad research. All you literally doing is just going to, Bing, YouTube, Google, and just reverse engineering, reverse marketing, basically putting in related keywords or product keywords to find other affiliates that's promoting it. Oh, and another thing that I forgot to mention, to get even more advanced. So when you're taking these related keywords, product keywords and stuff like that, go through people funnels and see what type of, if they using landing pages, model that, see, if they got an email opt-in, subscribe to their list, pay attention to the emails that they send over the course of 10 days and stuff like that. That's a super affiliate tip right there. Subscribe to their list, go through their landing pages. Basically, just see what's already working. That is like the #1 tip I've been preaching on my channel for months, if not a whole entire year by now. Just taking what's already working, modeling what's already working, so you can see success as quick as possible. Because a lot of people, they like to try to what's the word, do it from, a lot of people like to just be like a trailblazer and want to do everything themselves, and waste a lot of money and time doing that. So what I like to do is just take what's already working and go from there. So like I said, just opening up some of these links, they go to articles, blogs, capture pages, simple little landing pages, quizzes, and things like that. So that's kind of what I like to do, spend 10-20 minutes doing that. So just open all these ads up and seeing where is it going to. So right here, as you can tell, it probably direct link into the offer. I don't think this is like an affiliate page, but if it's not an affiliate page, I normally just X out of it. See, they direct link on this one because this is what the offer page looks like. Let's X this out. Let me see. So yeah, so for example, if you wanted to make like an article style landing page or like a review style landing page, this is the type of landing page you will want to model. If you got the similar web Chrome extension, you can see, well, on a lot of websites, it's getting a lot of traffic. I think when it's getting like over 20 or 30,000 monthly visits, you can normally see all the details of it. You can see in the other video when I'm using a similar web, so you can see exactly. So you know what? Let me just go and show y'all, for example. So on Clickbank, you use a similar web Chrome extension. You can see on average 4 million people per month is visiting Clickbank. You can see how much time people spend on Clickbank. On average, 9 minutes. Everybody come to Clickbank spending an average of 9 minutes over here. 40%, almost 40% of people in the United States. See where the traffic sources that's leading towards Clickbank, stuff like that. So, like I said, when you find these websites, a lot of these, they get enough traffic where you can see the data of the website, and you can see a lot more information than you could just doing it yourself. But yeah, like I said, if you want to make a landing page, I would make one similar to this. Let's see, this is one of those advertorial style landing pages, which still works to this day. Or pretty much any link you click on here is going to be going to the affiliate offer, things like that. I personally don't use advertorials. I never have. I always just use like simple click-through landing pages, or I like to just direct link. I just make the most money that way. But you get a lot of different ideas just seeing what's already working. So here goes another review of the product. This is like an older looking landing page. It's like something that was made in like 2004. I personally wouldn't run with nothing like this. It just looked too old. But same thing. Go over to Google. Open these up in different tabs just to see how they promoting it. Even doing a quiz style landing page. You can make a quiz style landing page using ClickFunnels. Let's see. This is cool. This is a very, very clean landing page. I don't know if this is like an actual affiliate. Let me see. Let me open this in a new tab. Take this Quick 2-minute quiz to personalize your plan. Start the quiz. I don't know if this is an affiliate landing page or not, but this is very, very clean. This is a very, very clean landing page. Like, yeah, I would definitely model something like this using ClickFunnels. This is direct linking because this is the text version of the keto diet offer. But yeah, just doing that, just taking related keywords, swiping the different ad copies, building up a swipe file, opening up their funnels, subscribing to their list, modeling their landing pages if that's what you want to use, whether it's a blog, article, advertorial, email capture page, stuff like that. And just model what's already working, and you'll pretty much be good to go, man. See, we just built out the swipe file in under 10 minutes. Now, in tomorrow's video is going to be setting up the tracking because, like I said, this is the 5-part Clickbank series. I'm setting up this live done for you campaign. I'm actually going to spend some good money on this to see if we can make some sales doing this. But yeah, tomorrow's video is going to be setting up the tracking. And then the video after that is going to be the live campaign setup. And, each day I'm going to be going over the results. So it's basically just going to be me talking about how much I spent and how much I made, if any. And yeah, man, that's pretty much all I got for this video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. I reply to everybody. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. Post a lot of videos about Clickbank, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, other make money online strategies. Also, if you're interested, I have a Clickbank mini course where I'm showing you basically how to make your first $100 with Clickbank and Bing ads, setting up direct link campaigns like this. I just kind of go over it a little more in detail. You can get access to that for only $7. I'll leave a link to that in the description, or if you want to just upgrade to the advanced course where I basically, and which is called my elite course, I go over Bing ads in detail, pretty much everything I know, and I also cover Facebook ads in detail as well. And I will leave links to that all in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and take the bell icon to be notified when I release a new video. And I will see y'all in the next one.